Hey guys, it is here. Finally, just got delivered. Um, this is gonna be really nice. And I've been wanting one of this. I wanted the. Well, I'll tell you guys what it is. Just an armrest for the car, but it's a split armrest. Ordered from ECS Tuning. I just got home actually from the dealership, and I just shot my BMW dealership experience video, and surprised to see this here. I did expect it today. So let's open it. It's the split armrest from ECS Tuning, but the story with this is, before I open it, is that it's a scratch and dent item, and I paid 50% off. I think these things are usually like $300, but I got a 50% off. And the guy at ECS Tuning, because they didn't have pictures of it up, he said he would give me, usually there's no returns on scratch and dent items. He said he would give me he would waive it, so if it's really scratched up and dented or messed up, I could have the ability to return it. Also got my car washed at the dealership. It looks actually really good. The deep sea, it's a nice color because it looks bright blue under the sunlight, and when it's like kind of dark like that, it looks black, almost dark blue. So let's open this up and see how bad or how unlucky or how lucky I am. So I'm doing this video as proof in case I have to take ECS Tuning to court saying that whatever they sold me was crap. So I'm kind of excited. This is one of the mods I wanted to do to the car ever since I got it. So it looks like there's another box in there. I actually come into the sun to do this. There's, I think, the return label or something. That's kind of what I paid for it, guys. And that's what, make sure there's nothing on there. Kind of that's what I bought. It's really windy out here. So I got the Dakota letter in Oyster. It should be Oyster, but it doesn't say Oyster. And this is a birthday gift to myself. So, okay, there is another box in there. And I don't want that to blow away. So I'm actually gonna put that in the car. And looks like I got a gift card for wine. You always get these stuff like that. So it's really windy out here, guys. It's March, but for some reason, so there's more stuff on the box. I guess hopefully it's the box that's scratch and dent and not anything else. So it just gives you the part number, armrest, front leather, front center, part numbers, and what piece it is. And this is, it looks, the box is definitely scratched up, but let's, some more information there, just the same thing repeating itself. And I think you'd open it. I have to take my key out. So you guys are my witness. This is brand new and sealed. The ECS. I'm gonna pause the video, and actually, you know what? I don't have to pause. I could use my leg to cut. Who needs a knife when you have keys? To cut that, and it should open up. Jesus Christ. Okay, I see what I'm doing wrong. Jesus, this is taped on there really, really well. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Yeah, okay, I get this. I think it slides out. It slides out like a. One more piece there, and that's it. I got it, guys. And this is the armrest. Let's just see how it looks. It looks new on this side. I'm scared to flip it over. Oh, it's not the split armrest. What the hell is this? It should be the split armrest, but it's just a new armrest. That is weird. A little disappointed there. Like, what the hell? Make sure there's nothing else in the box. Yep. There's nothing else in there. That should be the split armrest. That's not the split armrest. I don't know what that is. So that's not even the right item. So I'm gonna have to return that. And ECS, man, that's not cool. That's not cool at all. I guess that's the end of that. There's not gonna be a DIY, but I'm surprised. I ordered from ECS before, but not sure what the hell's going on here. All right, guys, bye.